Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Afro-Nikki Beautiful, and in today's video I'm excited to be switching it up a bit and bringing you guys a product demo of Tsehai's Henna Photochromic Hair Strengthening Kit. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So as mentioned, this video is brought to you by Tsehai's Henna Hair Care, and the kit that was sent to me is a 4-step hair treatment suitable for all hair types with organic and strengthening ingredients. The products come safely packaged in this luxurious black felt textured bag, as well as these beautiful black bottles labeled by step, number, and name. Step number 1 is a moisturizing shampoo. Step number 2 is a henna-based hair treatment. Step number 3 is a moisturizing deep conditioner. And step number 4 is a 4-oil blend softening leave-in. I really like that the kit also comes with a detailed brochure providing directions for how to use each product in the kit along with all of the ingredients. I also appreciated that the kit came with 2 pairs of gloves and 2 shower caps so that you don't have to go out and purchase anything extra. The most amazing thing about this hair kit is that the henna treatment is ready-made and works in 35 minutes. No mixing, no mess, and no waiting hours to activate. It's in an easy-to-use bottle, ready for you to apply directly to your hair. Alright, so I'm starting out on old dirty hair, but as you can see, my hair is already wet because I had my hair in a low sleek bun for about 3 weeks when I was out of town. So I just wanted to rinse out the gel before applying the products. So the first step in the kit is the shampoo, and normally when I cleanse my hair, I place focus on the roots because that gives me an opportunity to make sure that my scalp is 100% clean. So as you can see, this product has a really great lather, and I really just like that it didn't have my hair feeling stripped or dry. My hair was definitely squeaky clean and full of moisture when I rinsed it out. So you're also seeing me going with a shampoo brush, which has also been a game changer for me on wash day. So if you don't have one, you probably need to get one. Now I'm just going to part my hair down the middle, which is going to make it easier to apply the second step in the kit, which is the henna treatment. My hair is already used to henna because I use it every time on wash day, but if you're not familiar with henna, an FYI is that henna has a natural dyeing agent, so using these gloves and wearing careless clothing is definitely essential. I'm also used to products with an earthy smell, but if you're not, then maybe this one won't be for you. After I applied it, I put a plastic cap on and left it for 35 minutes. Now onto the third step, which is a deep conditioner. I don't know what kind of magic potion was in this, but my hair loved it. Application was easy. It helped to smooth out my hair strands and made my hair feel extremely soft. It didn't have as much slip as I would like, but as you can see, I was able to comb right through it and lightly detangle. So this is how my hair is looking when I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and y'all, my hair just looks so juicy. And if you could be here to feel how soft it is, you would definitely be 100% amazed. These products are just giving me life. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Last but not least, the final step in the kit, which is the leave-in conditioner. I have to say that it's kind of a love-hate relationship because it worked amazingly in my hair, but I just don't buy leave-in conditioners. I don't normally use leave-in conditioners. I haven't been a fan, but if I was a fan, this would definitely be in my stash to use. So this is what my twists are looking like after using the leave-in. My hair is well moisturized, very soft, and extremely shiny. That wraps up this demo. If you're interested in purchasing this hair kit, be sure to visit the description box below for a direct link to their website. Although these products were sent to me by the company, all of my opinions are honest, and you can trust that on my channel, I will only share products from brands that I would highly recommend and use for myself. Remember that healthy hair grows, and you can treat your hair with Ayurvedic herbs for longer, stronger, healthier hair strands. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone you know. See you in the next video. Afro-Nikki Beautiful.